is your channel messages for the 15th. Is it 16th? Is it the 15th? I think it's the 16th. For the 16th of October to the 22nd of October, the Empress, the Hierophant, Taurus. We're going to go ahead and go into your reading and see what the cards are saying, okay? Also, Taurus, before I start the reading, I noticed there's a little talking about Ivani. Good morning, Ivani. It is, the Jamaicans are talking. The Jamaicans, bad mind, no blood clots, right? Ivani, they're talking. They're saying that it doesn't matter if they try to report you to ISIS. No. Yes? It no matter if them call the government upon you or what is happening. There is rumors on the street that Ivani is an informant to the FBI. Ivani is an informant. On a jealous because Ivan is getting so-called special treatment. You know what she have to go through to get special treatment? Popular to the contrary, I don't believe Ivan is an informant. Everybody remember what Ivan was famous for? Remember she used to thief people Instagram? She was a hacker. She didn't know for hack. Remember she used to thief everybody Instagram in Jamaica, and then when she claimed the page, she would basically hold the page ransom. You had to pay her money to get your page back. And after you got your page back, people came to her and said, hey, can you build pages for me? So she did hack Instagram from Jamaica. Also, why would Ivani want to go back to Jamaica? Remember, she nearly dead. They nearly kill her. She did get shot. Remember? So all of the dirty Jamaicans want to call ISIS or whatever the fuck they want to call upon her because the fucking bad mind. Because the girl is abroad making it. You know what she have to go through? She not talk her story. I don't believe Ivani is an informant. Does she have intelligent information? She a hacker. That's why. So she knows shit that you will never motherfucking know. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. I don't know if this is someone. I'm not saying they're calling you out to your name, but I feel like someone's trying to put a label on you. I don't know if somebody has say it's a rat. Alright. Ivani never take up the phone and call police. Maybe if them come to her, interrogate her, she might talk what she know, which is sustainable information for them to leave her alone. But she not call an informant, take up the police and call and report too. That's what the informant does. No, I'm sorry. My apologies. We were getting the informants and the rats mixing up. A rat take up the phone and call the police for any information. If you hear on the TTC, if you see something, say something, right? You have to say something. An informant will also mean that you know just as much about the case the government has studied. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. But I feel like someone's trying to put this label on you and it should not be there. Let's go ahead. Let's get some of these cards to begin your reading with. I'm hearing notorious. Is it something about Biggie? I'm hearing notorious. I'm getting P. Diddy. I'm hearing Biggie. Something about notorious. We have endings coming out first, Taurus. I'm getting something is about to end either with your career or a relationship. We have Ariel, natural world healing, protection of nature. We have love at first sight. So yeah, I'm getting, okay, so this could be love. So something is ending. Maybe at the end of a relationship, you're going to be in a new relationship, Taurus. And we also have birth charts. Yeah. I'm getting you're coming together with somebody. I don't know who you're coming together with, but apparently whether you're going to talk their secrets to the police or to your friends or nah, secrecy have to be kept in whatever relationship this is. Let me get one more card and we're going to finish it here. We have Uriel, so all good cards. We have Ariel, natural world healing and protection of nature, and we have Uriel, wisdom, knowledge and prophecy. So you might feel like you're moving too fast, something just ended before something supposed to start. When we're getting you moving at the right pace, maybe you learned a lesson. When you don't learn lessons in relationships, them tell you to take time off. When you learn your lesson in a relationship, the universe can send you your partner like tomorrow. Love at first sight. Go ahead and see what's in your reading, Taurus. Let's see. First card out, we have the Page of Swords, Taurus. So I'm getting, this is online stalking. I'm hearing somebody saying, do you have social media? What's your social media? I'm getting some about pictures. Maybe somebody wants to see pictures of you. Alright, we have this Three of Pentacles. Okay, this could be a boss. Maybe a boss is watching it online. With the Page of Swords, Three of Pentacles, we're definitely getting co-workers, boss, people who you work professionally around. We have the King of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man. He's a man on top. I'm getting someone's tall. They might have melanated skin. I'm getting somebody watching it online. Maybe somebody has been watching how you work. And we have the Hierophant. Hello, Taurus. How are you? So I'm kind of getting love at first sight. You were recruited into a job. I'm getting somebody who has a say in the business. I feel like they like you. It's a love at first sight, which means somebody have a crush on you. At first sight, I saw her. I didn't think about she being an employee. I didn't think about him, how his annual report is going to be. You're just in love with them. So maybe this is help. Maybe job opportunities are being influenced for you because I'm getting love at first sight. People keep on falling in love with you. I'm getting a lot of job. So this could also be a lot of online recruiters, recruiters. I'm getting employment not agencies, employment opportunities coming your way. I'm getting people want you left, right, and center. We're hot like peanut. We're there every shop. I'm getting everybody want you in them business, in them workplace. I'm getting something is turning into a marriage though. Here's what I'm getting. I'm getting a saying. I would know more about somebody who can watch work for me than somebody who I went on a dating site and tried to get to know. I'm getting a saying that. I'm getting a Sagittarius or Aries. The Hierophant can be a commitment, a marriage. Maybe somebody's trying to test your loyalty in a company. Maybe somebody want to promote you, they want to give you a bigger opportunity. But then if you test your loyalty, you're going to jump on another opportunity as soon as somebody offers you something. The Page of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Swords. Okay, so we're getting communication. We're getting somebody is communicating with you and watching you while you reply to them. I'm getting somebody want to talk to you about work, but I feel like them have a crush on you, them like it Taurus. So it's enhancing your hierarchy development in this company. We have the Queen of Wands. You could be the only girl. I'm getting your work around a lot of man. You could be the only girl in the building. We have the Knight of Pentacles and we also have the Page of Wands. I'm getting somebody when you change your job because you're getting too close to somebody who you work with. I'm getting the person who like you, the person who work with you, them is the King of Wands. So I'm getting them very successful. I'm getting someone saying, I'm getting the three of Pentacles with the Queen of Wands over here, and then we're getting Leo, Aries, Sagittarius with the Knight of Pentacles over here. We're getting somebody saying me and you could have gone a business together. This could be a love and business relationship. I could get both. I'm not sure if someone ex work at the company or somebody who the guy used to date works around him. Because I feel like the girl in the company already is saying to the guy, you're only employing her because you like her. Well, fucking duh. Why else would you employ her? Why else would we employ a woman, huh? If we're not looking at titties, why else would you think you had a say here? You don't think we could just employ men here? Why do you think, as a woman, you bring value to our company? Sweetie, the only value you bring is that left and right titty. That's the only fucking value, okay? Just calm down, alright? Let's chill out. Relax. Let's get one more spread and we'll leave it here. We're getting some of your birth chart though. So I'm getting really good workers. Really good workers are earth signs for birth charts. Usually when you're recruiting, especially if you need somebody stable, consistent, and them will even show up to work when they're sick. That's earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Out of all the zodiac signs, those are the three workers. They rule pentacles, they rule money. So you rarely can go wrong with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn employee. Worse, if you like them, they make very good homemakers and housewives. Now, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius might show up to work depending on if them find it more important than things that stimulate them elsewhere. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, usually the ones who will call into mental health and say, listen, I can't come to work today. I'm not feeling well right now. I'm emotional. Somebody just break up. And then we have the air signs. Now, the air signs are usually very dependable too. But air signs not going to work harder for you when them could have worked for themselves. So I'm getting love at first sight though. I'm literally getting I'm getting somebody in a company like you a lot. And they may even try to make you work in a situation where you're working closer to them. So yes girl, work, yes, work like Ivani. I say, let me tell you something. A lot of people don't know the struggles of Jamaica. You know, remember it, I'm not going to say if you remember, since I'm out of Jamaica. Brody, Jamaica had a system where you could have sent, please call me. You saying, can you send me $20 for my nails? Baby, I'm gonna go get my hair done. Can you send me $150? I need $600 to watch my kids. Bomba, you know how impoverished, you know how impoverished you have to be in Jamaica when you send somebody, please call me. You have to send them. You could. The network had allowed you to send a message where you could ask somebody to call you back. And you only was allotted 3 for the week. You're talking about all of these girls who keep begging money. Only you know some get it from Jamaican girls who used to beg credit. Remember? I know it's probably still a thing. But when I grew up in Jamaica, people used to beg credit. Them say send me $25 now. Him say send him $25. Right? A credit we used to beg. Credit was money. Credit actually was money, Brody. And then you guys got ungrateful, asking for money for weave and hair and nails, and your side nigga. What the fuck's wrong with y'all? Let's go. One more for the outcome, and we're gonna leave it here, Taurus. We have the Queen of Swords, and I'm getting somebody like how you talk. Maybe you talk we're getting somebody like how you talk to customers. If we're dealing with an earth sign, even though I have fire here, I'm getting somebody might be very, very sweet and sour. Like a Sour Patch Kid. I'm getting somebody might be very, very, them show up to work, them work really good. But when it comes down to customers, I'm getting somebody's no joke. Maybe that's why you're trying to develop into this person, a more professional and a more swift employee. But my getting is like you're saying, I watched them the first day them coming here, and now it's like watching them grow my company and working here is just falling in love with them. As long as you're single, if you're in a relationship and you fall in love with your co-worker, I can't tell you what, I know that God is not going to forgive you a clit. But if you're single, there's no, you can find love anywhere. We found love in a homeless place. We found love in a homeless place. We found love in a... I'm going to leave it here, Taurus. Until next time, bye.